Welcome to e-educational dispensary. Press the bell icon to never miss any updates.
औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली. Dear students, this is our question number 1A and B language study, practice set number 4. Now go directly to the questions. As instruction is given that do as directed, you have to attempt any 4 for 8 marks, but if time permits, then try to attempt all 6 questions. Question number 1, complete the words by using correct letters. Here 4 words were given in which one alphabet is missing. You have to choose and select that alphabet and write the complete word. Number 1 is ADV-CE. If you just check the answer, ADVICE, advice. Put underline the word I. Second is P-OUT. Put R, PROUD, proud. Third word is TW-ST, and fourth is PLA-T. So in third, TWIST, twist, and fourth is PLANT, plant. So put the missing alphabet in right place, right alphabet, and underline the word. Second is put the words in alphabetical order. Here 4 words were given with different alphabets, starting with different alphabets. So just check Marathi, Hindi, Urdu, English. Write correct alphabetical order, that is English, Hindi, Marathi, and Urdu. In second question, first alphabet is common in all 4 words, so you have to go according to the second alphabets. Equality, escape, enough, effect. So according to second alphabet, you have to put it in alphabetical order. Your answer is effect, enough, equality, and escape. In question number 3, punctuate the following. Question number 1, he asked me, what is my fault? You have to punctuate, means you have to write capital, small alphabets, inverted commas, question mark, etc., etc. Your answer is he, H capital, he asked me, comma, and that what is my fault is a specific sentence. You have to write it in inverted commas. So in inverted comma, what, W capital, what is my fault? This is a question. So question mark, inverted comma, close. Second is she smiled, a beggar changed my life. Answer is she, S capital, she smiled, comma, in inverted comma, a beggar, a from a, what is starting from a, so A is capital, a beggar changed my life, full stop, inverted comma, close. Question number 4, make 4 words, minimum 3 letters each, using the letter in the word reaction. With the alphabets used in the word reaction, you can make so many words, but you have to make 4 words here, and that word contains minimum 3 letters, meaningful word. So I've written 4. For example, you can write other than these answers. React, act, action, eat, and you can write other words also. Write the related words as shown in the example. Here, a frame, box, oval, other different shapes were given. Here, write slowly. So, in this question, you have to see whether it is noun, adjective, or adverb. Accordingly, you have to write your answer. Write slowly is given. So make sure that you have to make the chart as given in the question and write the related words, that is carefully, neatly, fluently, and smoothly. You can write some other words also related to this write and slowly. Question number 6. Complete the word chain of noun. Add 4 words each beginning with the last letter of the previous word. It is word chain of noun. So be alert. You have to write only nouns. Question is given chair and 4 blanks were given. So you have to write 4 nouns in these blanks according to word chain, that is chair. It ends with alphabet R. So with R, rose, with E, elephant, with T, tiger, with R, rabbit. Question number 1B. Do as directed. Here you have to attempt any 2 questions. Attempt any one. Here option is given. Make a meaningful sentence by using the given phrase, be afraid of. A phrase, be afraid of, you have to use this phrase and write the meaningful sentence. One sentence for your practice is given. You can write other words sentence also by using this phrase. He is afraid of dark. Next is, here it is option. You have to attempt any one. Add a clause to expand the following sentence meaningfully. I know the person, dash. You have to expand this clause to make it meaningful. You can write your own sentence, but for your practice, one sentence I am writing here. I know the reason why Ahmad is absent today. I know the reason why Ahmad is absent today. In the same question, you have to second, attempt any one, add a prefix or suffix to make a new word. Here 2 words were given. You have to write either suffix or prefix with these words. That is, one is honest, honesty. You have to write like this. Second one is literate, illiterate. Or these 2 words were given. Make a meaningful sentence using any one of the following words. Words are the same and you have to make a meaningful sentence. You have to write a meaningful sentence by using any one of the word. Here you have to attempt only one. First one is honest. So honesty is the best policy. The word honest is used. Second one is literate. Literate yourself for healthy living. You can write other sentences also as per your convenient. So this is our 4th language study example or practice set question. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.